recharge, live well. Think health and wellness.
Hi there, future origami masters. Today, we're going to show you how to make a rose using origami. Let's begin. Step 1. Start with a square piece of paper. Fold it in half diagonally to make a triangle. Step 2. Fold the left and right corners upward as such. Step 3. Fold the base to create the rose. If you're using white paper, you can color it in any rose color, such as red, pink, blue, or yellow. Step 4. Using another square piece of paper, fold it in half diagonally to make a crease, then open it back up. Next, fold both sides to create a sword-like shape. Step 5. Fold it in half. Step 6. Fold the base upward, making the stem. Again, if you're using white paper, you can color the stem green. Step 7. Finally attach the stem to the rose. And there you have it, a beautiful rose origami. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!